Here we have the Tilta Focus Gear Ring. It's a Cine-Mod product from Tilta that allows you to use a follow focus on just about any lens that doesn't have a geared ring. Now, why would I choose these over the other brands and modifications out there? Well, you'll have to see for yourself. Autofocus was designed for photos and became a vlogging staple. However, sometimes you need more control with a follow focus when you're shooting cinematic style videos, commercials, short films, feature films, and more. Ideally, that's when you use a cinema camera with a cinema lens that has a toothed gear to attach your follow focus to. But if you're on a gimbal, a running gun rig, or just a tight budget, photography lenses may need to just do the job, so you'll need a geared ring to do so. While there are many modifications and products out there to achieve the goal of adding focus rings to your lenses, I've often found them to be unreliable and bulky, often with seams and ratchet locks that cheapens the camera setup. The best one that I've found and have done to my lenses in the past is the Duclos Cine-Mod that machines a gear to the focus barrel of your lens. That mod can be a bit pricey if you're doing multiple lenses at once and is permanent. This time around, I didn't want to go through the expense, nor did I want my EF lenses to be permanently modded. So in my search for a focus ring that passed my checklist, I found the Tilta Focus Gear Rings. They are a seamless focus ring that can attach to your photography lenses so you can use a follow focus or remote follow focus unit. That means there's no unsightly screw or latch or ratchet lock. It is similar to the Duclos Cine-Mod in that it's completely unobstructed around the lens. These Tilta Focus Gear Rings are $2 a piece. Yes, you heard that right, $2. When I saw that, I knew I had to give it a try. And it comes in at a price point where if I don't like them, it's not that much of a loss. So let's open these up, put it on a lens, and see how it fits. So this is the ring unboxed. When they're inside the plastic, they are flexible. So once you take it out, it'll go to form and then fit snugly around your lenses. As you can see, there's a split going down the ring. This allows you to cut it apart and put it on another lens of the same diameter, so that basically when you buy one of these, you're getting two, or you just keep it together and you have a wider gear to put on your lens. It's flexible when you get it, but it's not, you can't like fold it into itself. You can do this, but you can't like crush it. It's completely seamless. There is no hooks, there's no screw, there's no ratchet. It's just, you put it on and it's snug. The caveat is that you need to know the diameter of your lenses so that you can go to the website and choose the diameter range. These come in diameter ranges. So essentially, like this one here is a 56 to 58 millimeter, which this would fit a diameter of 56 to 58 millimeter on whatever lens that I need to put it on. Now, if you don't know the diameter of your lenses, you can look up your manufacturer specs or go to the Tilta website. There you'll find a list of lenses by popular brands where the zoom ring and focus ring diameters are available. So I installed one on my Canon L series 17 to 40 millimeter. I didn't split the ring apart just because the actual focus ring on the lens is pretty wide, so I wanted it to cover as much of the area as possible. It's very snug, it does not slide. I would have to use some force to really take this back off. It feels solid. Having had the Duclos mods, this feels pretty close to it, except it's, a little bit more rubber than hard plastic, but these are hard, they don't flex, and it doesn't slide, and it's completely seamless. I'm excited to test this out with a follow focus just to sort of see if it holds up. So as you can see, the teeth fit really nicely into the gear. It moves very smoothly, there's no resistance, and it doesn't slip on the lens. If I didn't know any better, I would think these lenses had these gears built onto them. So if you're looking for focus gears for your lenses, I recommend hitting up Tilta and picking up these gear rings. They might be the best looking ones I've seen. Check it out for yourself. They're a great tool. I really enjoy making these videos, so if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and click that bell so you can be notified with our upcoming videos.